What's up, YouTube? I don't know. I go to church today, see me? My brother. I go to church. I joke when I go to church, but I just decided to say, I did want to film today. I'm going to film today, you see me? I don't know what I might keep in place, but this is a look of vlog. I'm supposed to take in this. I don't know, dog. Every time I take a haircut, probably like a day or a couple hours, you look like me just grow back out a while. Like you can't stay one place. Yeah, a minute me have to brush it for you look back. Good. Me here fuck up. The sun hot, you know what I see how hot the sun be? See how hot the sun be there. How I just look at it? Yes sir? Fun. Jesus Christ. Imagine a girl them will walk miles to take cut.
Country girl.
Hot sun a bleach, you know. Come sweat a burn them man there. But them want to feel nice, you know.
Hey, nice cocky.
Nice cocky. At least when they reach they can get a nice sleep. We're up on a budget, you know, guys. We are broke, but not forever. Not forever. Show 5 grand for you, right?
5 grand?
5 grand. This is just to give you, man, my brand new 5 bills a while ago, dog. Well, it has circle round, so.
But I owe one.
You want them to look rich, dog. But you want them? Brother, it's them all up 7 grand, dog, and they come like, no. Oh, fuck. Yeah, man. Serve. How much you cook? Yeah. Send me 2 then. I'm cool, look. Yeah, man. Like, I'm not get black, you know. I'm still black. I put that on the camera now, but yeah, dog. I say, I'm not get my call from nobody as yet, but I go in and check on my phone if it takes on WhatsApp or anything. Not just load chop up 2 videos because no video, you see me? All this a look vlog. So not your fuck.
Manifest greatness. And every day tell them great thing.
Like your dog them get a piece of work. Dog, and look what me choose the inner. Black.
Yo,
Black me choose the inner, dog.
so no black me in too?
No, I'm follow your friend, dog. One buck right.
I'm not going to do that. But we are going to kill money.
Yeah. You see the X them? The X them can go up on 4K front camera, brother. I never know that. And mine can't be switch on 4K. Mine stuck at 180p. Yeah? Huh? I have to get a X though, dog. I buy my X to start up though. Go use one. I man, catch a drip. A drip.
So one thing, camera.
Yo, watch out on me. I put on my Air Force dog so I look more better. You see me? I don't know the style already.
Walk out, get him a boy, walk out. Bomb, as a YouTuber. Red class.
Rejected. Fuck. Yo, but that no, watch out now. No, like, imagine you have faith night and track take your number and things.
Well, let's try now.
But then girl nowadays you work for money from you that.
Me famous friend that.
Who that?
I think I know.
You think I crank up that? Top friend we say no my youth.
No, crank up that like the other man who over there.
Who? The artist life. Show them the artist life. Show them the artist life. Ah, we have music contract, dog. And we don't walk. I hope on a rain this, you know.
Kind of rain.
Hmm?
Like a rain to me.
Supposed to link up with an actor, you see me?
You know?
Hmm?
When you see me, I feel like coming.
Rain really a fall. Me bum buck now. Now we stuck in this blood clot. Guess what?
No, so Ben, you like 2 pound legs to watch it.
Dog, so.
What's that? What is that? Oh, man! 51! 51! Boom, bam, couldn't get
How was it, you camera, bro?
Get that parachute, yo, 60 minutes, what's that?
64. Come here to make the YouTube.
Yo, ramp up me, I murder you, your whole family, your generation will come after that. 65. 62,
I want to run in them money finger.
yo, 64.
Bumbo.
Oh, boy, 100 grand. Get a star.
Me blood clot, look at that dog doing phone. Let me check your fee, bro. Money for waste. The dog deal with the phone.
Dog. I know, say if it broke, I couldn't get that next one, man.
Me blood clot. Is someone in the dog now?
No, I want to grab me the brother. Do that. Our eyes for me, I said, man. I said, I'm going to go home and play on the phone and try to make it.
So what I plan for today, bro?
What you say you used to do on Instagram?
Instagram, I normally post them, look
No, we talk long clippings.
clipping. We used to do some long, what do you call it? Short film. But we cut them down, you know.
I think one so we can do 30 seconds with it, bro.
Yeah.
Fun. 30 seconds and 1 minute. I don't think they're in the game.
Because I just made say view duration. If you have people them watch too long, them are cut off and it now we get promoted.
I will get millions of views a month time. Know me?
Yeah.
And me I tell you, you know. Hey. And me master a game and I tell you now, you know.
Yeah.
And me I tell you, you know. Say if me I tell you say I go work. Just believe it I go work. Yeah, man. Because I'm studied. When I time still, that really make people really. Fan people can get fan and can see everything.
Related.
You see that funny related, bro. If I see that I move up and down and them thing there, bro. Like you see me made the capo with the foot video, bro. People see both I think I attack, a distraction that and no. I will go. Everybody say I know do know you. This one saying 8 money pan. Come on, I'm not say I will do that more. Yeah, but we tell say that different. Yo, we not even know dog. But just want to say big up my dog Ilshan, you see man say local. Well, no, we do a police video today, capo. Police. Yeah, me a chopper.
But you that
me a chopper. Yeah, chopper.
Now, pre him with the vest. Look on him with the vest. Imagine the vest the part.
Yeah, man. They never did have an vest on me. Well, I know we do a police video. And we do a next video dog. Yeah, chopper. Watch it now. Let me tell you about how on. Hold on now. Chopper, watch it now. I put on a short. I put on a shirt, I put on a shirt, I put on a shirt for me, a shirt, and it's easy, eh? Oh no, and I put on a shirt too. You see, I watch and make it. No, chopper they move my youth. Yeah, man, so chopper, man, I'm a chopper. I slippers out, so.
You should have a look at scissors.
No, man, you need a scissors, man. I tell you, man.
I
need a scissors, man. We don't need nothing. Just have it, sir.
Yeah.
This magic moment. Eh? Yeah, chopper and I'm a police. Eh? What you say about it? Anytime I'm ready. Alright. Bombay, can see them nose all down. Alright, so we can do that now. Yeah? Yeah? Yo. 200,000? I can't 200,000. What is this? You know, I'm going to buy the boost. Man, I'm feel like my giant dog.
Alright, man, about probably 5 seconds. I see, man. I see 2. Hey, dog. Fuck. Feel it, dog.
What mean I can't go? No, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. Like that.
Shit.
I can't be there. I'm on the bomb buck. What?
Yeah.
Anything I say, I say same in our video.
Yeah, bro, I see some mistake.
Hey, my shot. Them say I'm shoot my films now. So hard.
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
Bumbaclat. No, that I'm not going to do it. Bumbaclat.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, man. Remember it and the cap alone, you have one. That and the cap
Go
alone.
to blame, give me back my cap.
Wait there. Yo, cap, I want to go in here, sir.
Huh?
The video just look dark a while ago.
You tell us say your phone stink, brother. You have to know.
Oh, wait, just do a while
Brother, just touch your screen, brother. Touch your spot light.
No, man, it changed color like it turned
Listen to me,
black.
watch out.
No, not that. I see
And you
thing
see-
change color a while ago.
Boom.
No, it was by the light there. Yeah, it was by the light there. Impress you at the sun change.
Oh, I go me say camera looks so.
Yeah, me I tell you, you know, that me I teach you the game, you know, yes, man, say, on the time, you know. Yeah, them, I teach you a game. You bars and that. No. No, what am I talking about? You know what I'm talking about? I teach you a tongue in the game. Yeah? You know what I learn the game, man? Right now, car, you see YouTube now, you see YouTube money, the YouTube money falling out, run. Bang if you bang the line and run. Set fire upon the line. You know why they do that with the one the guitar? A chop. They're looking at me like that, Ran.
I want to face by the camera.
Oh, you feel so cool?
Look like the original capo.
Easy, no? One cap. No, enough cap, but a one mad cap. You know, tell you, you know. Wow, shit, no, Ran.
Yeah, tell me that, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, tell me that, bro.
Put fire to it, put fire to it. Yo, it light, it never one,
No.
Oh. Hit me up on Instagram at @mad_capo_ again.
Follow him on TikTok. How many on TikTok again?
We don't even know his name, but we are talking about me.
No.
Ladies, listen to me.
The minute someone
Him broke.
recommend it from TikTok,
Yeah, with him one bagger. With him one bagger.
You follow me?
yeah, man.
You follow me?
Yeah.
Looking at me
Come
here.
on, tell you. Now watch I know they have one video where it slow down and turn dark. Like you get a fresh cut.
The white boy I see him though. The freaky white boy I see him there.
It's a CapCut template though.
White now.
Eh?
The man like bleach it on white now. I tell you, he's a freaky white
You
boy.
can't say black man like me. I can talk about welcome black.
Listen to me. He might bleach. He might try to use the idol soap and treat now reach. He might ball.
I lie actually. You see me? You see by next time I
Look
come
at face copper color.
What you know?
Yes sir brown, yes sir black.
You hear me now?
Pick your race,
Me
you.
say I'm wet like a
Watch out, look here. Watch it. You see me tell you?
What?
He might. Run. No clue. The camera can't even see man face. The man just look well black.
Yeah man.
So imagine how me look.
Black.
No sir, I don't like a camera.
Unreleased. But it's not Japan thing. No, so.
Why?
Different dog.
This I go on YouTube.
That one is a full day vlog me do.
Oh. So go about the place.
Yeah, one time I just get up and film, sir.
Huh?
So my time I just get up and know me I do and just film.
Yeah.
And then turn out a big vlog, so I wonder how I go.
To me, still like.
If you do a vlog where all do a vlog where all we all watch it.
Yeah, that
This one of them big vlog you know, is go about the place dog. You know,
Drop all a nice 30-minute video and get a piece of food.
I want to vlog I'll go far, brother. You want to some certain place, dog. And people gonna, you want to say, when people watch the vlog, bro, what thing I can say me eye? You don't never vlog there? If I pre country vlog them or pre Jesus, you know, Jesus Walking TV. You know Jesus Walking TV, Muspungo. You know Jesus, I thought there, the sick boss.
oh.
Yeah, it's so big vlog, nice dog. Yeah, bro. But I have a surprise still, dog. I have a surprise, you know. But I'm not going to tell nobody what I do. No, see, they see.
No, that just too. Yeah, dog, you know.
And she want to see it.
Hey, look, you
Bumble Jody. You see how we are
Hey,
now.
Jody, yes, man.
Sink the Bible from a bombard foot.
Hey, when I get taxi, you can't no say that.
Jaja, man, what a man taxi I go spend.
I said, I'm going to get taxi. That's what. You're not going to know why. Shit. I can't wait. I didn't know for that.
Man, a leak, man, it a bleed.
You can breathe.